Good afternoon. This is Dr. Ken Anshan from West Virginia University. I'm professor and extension specialist. Today, I will show you the demonstration of applying vinegar water for the chilling poultry carcasses. And this is did by our lab, so I'm going to show you each steps. So I'm going to using the sharing model, so it might be took a couple of times. So let's see how we do the first inoculation and the vinegar preparation process. The process is we do the inoculation on the chicken bird surfaces. So this is graduate students, Carly Long is doing the inoculation. And we are going to do is adding 200 microliter of inoculant from the bottom broth. We add 3 drops averagely on the surface. So she's doing that and put the 3 drops there. And then using the spreader to averagely spread on the surface. So we want to make sure the area is covered, the niche area, and every single places are covered. And we also want to make sure all our inoculant is vortex and mixed very well. So after inoculation, we do the 50 minutes attachment time, and then we will flip them over. So, Carly, you can just flip them over. And then after 50 minutes, we inoculation on the other side, and we'll do the same thing. So Carly is doing the other side of the inoculation, and we can just skip that area, and we can move on to the next step, which is doing the chilling process. And I'm going to show you clearly how we prepare on the surface. Then we will move on to is the next step is preparing the chilling vinegar water. So in this container, we already put the ice water there that has been pre-chilled in the 5 degrees Celsius. Then we are pouring the vinegar water. And the vinegar water is just coming from the grocery store like Kroger. It has 50% acidity. And our treatment is using 50% or 75%. That means we have to prepare 20-liter pre-chilled water with ice, and then we have to dump in approximately that will be 20 liter of the vinegar water. So make it combined is 50%. And then we mix them very well. So after the chilling preparation, and we will be moving the chilling tank and close to the biohazard hood. We're going to do the chilling process, which is adding the inoculated birds into the chilling water. So we want to make sure they are completely immersed. And the chilling process is usually 1 hour, and also we do another treatment, which is 24 hours. So then we covered and then move the whole container into the refrigerated cooler. So that is our process. We are doing the preparation of the chilling water and the chilling the birds. And we did the treatment is 1 hour and 24 hour. So I'm also going to show you the next step is after 1 hour and 24 hour, we are going to show you how we do the analysis of the bacteria on the surface. So let me just share the screen again. We'll see what's going on there. Chilling 1 hour or 24 hours, we were preparing the DE neutralization solution to neutralize the residue acidic, which is from the vinegar on the surface. So we first of all prepare 200 ml using a pre-autoclaved cylinder. There's 200 ml there. Then after that, we'll be adding them into a poultry sampling bag. And then we will collecting one already chilled bird sample into the poultry sample bag. And make sure the job is limited because we don't want lots of the antimicrobials, residue vinegar, and on the solution. And then we will do is vigorously shake 30 seconds. This is based on FSIS regulation and then can be completely detach the bacteria from the bird surface. And then followed, we will do a spread plating. So this is a process. What we do is preparing the sample in the enrichment media, which is the solution to neutralize the residue vinegar water. The next step, we will show you how we do the sampling of the bacteria, which is Campylobacter, on the surfaces. So we have to again open the video and showing you what's going on there. Doing a serial dilution to have 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 1, and 0 dilution onto the Brucella agar with vitamin K. This is a very special media for growing Campylobacter. It's a non-selective media, so basically even the vinegar-injured cells could be still recovered, and we have tried a lot in our lab. So he's trying to put the solution onto the agar plates and then have to be transferred to Kali immediately to do the spread plating. And after spread plating, we wait for only a minute to put into the anaerobic jar. Because Campylobacter is microallophilic environments, this pathogen is very sensitive to the oxygen. More than 10% of the oxygen can kill Campylobacter. So she's doing the spread plating really quick, and we wait for 1 minute to dry and put into the microallophilic jar. So like we just mentioned, Campylobacter, it is a fastidious bacteria. It's kind of very ironic. It's difficult to grow in the lab, but it's a big concern of the microbial safety in the poultry products. So the final one, what I'm going to show you is how we're going to do the incubation. And this is very interesting. So we're going to show you in the process how we do the incubation. Again, have to share the screen, so that may take a little bit steps. Spread plating, we put a gas generator into anaerobic jar. And this has to be done in 20 seconds to create microallophilic environments. And then we're going to all move to 42 degrees Celsius incubator for incubate 48 hours. Campylobacter is a fastidious bacteria. So this is a procedure what we are doing. This incubator is 42 degrees Celsius. Stay there for 48 hours. So our research results has been showing using 50% or 75% vinegar water as a chilling treatments for chilling 1 hour can kill 99 to 99.9% of the Campylobacter and Salmonella. So we recommend to use a concentration is at least 50% of the vinegar water. The vinegar water can be just got from the Kruger, because 50% of the vinegar water will give us 2.5% of the acidity. Basically, it's acetic acid which is effective concentration to killing Salmonella and Campylobacter. And this video is requested by Miss Lisa Jones from WV Small Farm Conference Center and also supported by NIFA Afri Care Program. And thank you very much.